replacing the platen roller on the ZT200 series printers. Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cord and data cables. Rotate the gold printhead lever up to open the printhead. Insert a ballpoint pen into the slide hole and move the gear cover toward the back of the printer. Turn the inner and outer lock tabs of the platen roller assembly toward the front of the printer. Lift the old platen assembly out. Set the new platen assembly into the lower print mechanism. Turn the two lock tabs of the platen toward the rear of the printer to lock it in place. Close the gear cover. Clean the platen roller. Rotate the gold printhead lever down to close the printhead. Reconnect the power cord and data cables. Turn on the printer.